Okay, this is perennial peanut. It's a legume, and like all members of the legume family, it's a beneficial plant. It's nitrogen fixing, pumps a lot of nitrogen into the soil. Propagating it is going to be great. Once this goes in, these runners grow along the ground, and if you look closely, you can see little joints along here, just like in the sugarcane. That's where it grows. So we're going to cut these, take these strips, put them in the soil, and keep propagating it. The way to keep back the guinea grass without mowing all the time, the permaculture way, is long row of cut it once, put weed mat on top of it, about 10 foot wide, about 60 feet long, and the water can still go through the weed mat, so the soil doesn't die, but no sunlight gets in there. So the grass dies out, and then what we do is pull the weed mat back 1 foot, grow another amount of peanut in there, let that get stronger, pull the mat back, a couple months later another foot, get the peanut walking further, and eventually it's like a marching carpet that covers the whole area, and it's going to feed all the trees that we use for food. So indirectly, this is going to be feeding us.